Hello guys, welcome to my English conversation video. We are heading to the Mango Bridge. Today we will show. Today we will explore the Mango Bridge area. So we are heading to the Mango area, Mango place. So we are right now we are heading. We are going to Mango place. Just like it's a nearby Mango bus stand, and I will show you the Mango bus stand, because Mango bus stand why is going so many buses in like Odisha, Bhubaneswar, and there are lots of place. Mango bus stand is sending, this means there are lots of bus in available in Mango bus stand. So you can go and just buy the ticket and go via the bus in the Mango bus stand. So from the Mango bus stand, you are seeing this is a Mango place, and this is a Mango bus stand place. We are heading to the Mango bus stand place. So there are lots of rush here and lots of autos here. So we are heading there is a lots of jam is here. Jammed means this place is stuck. This place is not stuck, the place is jammed. So we are going to Mango bus stand. You are seeing this, there's a lots there's a vehicle is jam here, and I think so this is a jam for something. The next Mango place is just making a new bridge, so I think so that's why this place is jam here. So just we are heading to the Mango bus stand place. You are watching this, you are seeing this. This is a Sonrekha river, and this Sonrekha river is just lots of water, because this is a flood, not flood, but just lots of water is here via the cause of rain. This is a Mango bus stand area, and the Mango bus stand area is also connected to various kinds of buses. So you can go and just book the ticket for where you want to go, like Odisha, Bhubaneswar, where you want to go. So you can go and book the ticket and go from where you want to go. So this is a place is Mango bus stand. So you can come and book your ticket and go where lots of buses is here. You can see right now there is a lots of buses here, and just standing on the ground, and they are waiting for the destination. So the passenger will come, and the bus will be ready, and passenger will come in time, and the bus will go. This their destination. So where you will come in this Mango bus stand, so you can book ticket and go where you want to go. Just I am heading to the next stop. My next stop is Mango Bridge. So I am going to next stop of Mango Bridge, and I will show the Mango Bridge. This Mango Bridge is very old bridge in this place, Mango place. So just I am going to show you Mango Bridge. Okay, so stay with me. You are seeing this is a roundabout here. This is the main path of Mango Bridge area. So we are right now is approaching the area. So stay with me. I'm just right now exploring the Mango Bridge. This is Mango Bridge, and this bridge is connected to every place. Means you can go from the Ranchi, so you can go via this bridge, so you can go Ranchi place. Watching this, there are lots of water in this Mango Bridge, and you can see there's a lots of water, and this water is come via the other river. Sonrekha river also be attached to other river, and just dam will open, so lots of water come via the dam and just mix the water in the river, and they mix the all water together. So this is a Mango Bridge. Hello friends, just you have seen the Mango Bridge area, or you have seen the Mango Bridge, or you have seen the Mango area. So we are heading to the I am heading to my home. So just stay. If you like my comment, if you like my content, please do subscribe, share and comment on the video. Thank you. You are seeing this is a Sonrekha river, and Sonrekha river water level is increased the Mango area. So this water level is increased, and there is a electric, right, giant electric field here, and you see this is a lots of home. I can zoom this. There is a lots of home across the river, and this is a lots of water is increased in the Sonrekha river.